Title Unraveling the Cosmic Enigma, The Interstellar Traveler, 3 Atlas and the Dawn of a New Era. On a landmark day in July 2025, the world of astronomy was set ablaze with excitement as astronomers announced the discovery of an interstellar traveler, christened 3I Atlas. Initially, it appeared as an ordinary comet, its icy tail gleaming under the cosmic darkness. However, its trajectory was anything but typical, heading straight towards the red planet, Mars. This unusual path immediately raised eyebrows among the astronomical community, with the speed at which 3I Atlas was moving far surpassing the average comet, fueling suspicions that this celestial body might be exhibiting engineered behavior. As August rolled in, updated calculations revealed a potential direct collision with Mars due to its fast speed and tightening path. This was unlike anything NASA had ever encountered. Sudden bursts of gas, clockwork pulses, and hard radar echoes were unlike anything they had seen from a natural object. The object seemed to be behaving more like a spacecraft than a comet, raising questions about its origin and purpose. On August 14th, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter Science Unit logged a startling development. There was a sudden doubling in the object's brightness, accompanied by a surge in ultraviolet output. Furthermore, carbon dioxide eruptions every 17 minutes, perfectly aligned with Mars's orbital plane, suggested a level of energy management beyond natural causes. It was as if 3I Atlas was intentionally adjusting its emissions to align with Mars's orbit, a level of coordination that defied the laws of physics as we currently understand them. September brought more revelations. Deep space radar pings returned sharp and hard signals, suggesting a dense, compact body with a mass near 10 billion tons. This was unprecedented for a comet. The potential impact could reshape a region of Mars, potentially even altering its climate. The object's size, speed, and behavior led many to question whether it was indeed a comet at all. Theories abounded as the world's best minds grappled with the implications of 3I Atlas. Some proposed it could be an alien spacecraft sent by an advanced civilization to explore our solar system. Others suggested it could be a massive asteroid or a fragment of a shattered planet from another star system. Yet others proposed more mundane explanations, such as a highly unusual comet or a piece of debris from a failed interstellar mission. The object continued on its course towards Mars, representing a test of planetary defense and a challenge to our understanding of interstellar visitors. NASA scientists worked tirelessly to develop defense strategies, while the United Nations convened an emergency meeting to discuss potential responses, ranging from passive observation to active deflection. Governments worldwide poured resources into research and development, hoping to find a solution before it was too late. In the midst of this global crisis, the scientific community was not the only one grappling with the implications of 3I Atlas. Governments, religions, and the general public were all caught in a whirlwind of speculation and fear. What if 3I Atlas was indeed an alien spacecraft? What would it mean for humanity's place in the universe? Would it trigger a new era of interstellar exploration and cooperation, or would it breed fear and distrust? As the days ticked by, the world held its breath. The questions were many, and the answers uncertain. But one thing was clear: the discovery of 3I Atlas marked a turning point in human history, a moment when we were forced to confront the vastness of the universe and our place within it. The object neared Mars, and the tension mounted. The world watched and waited, hoping for a peaceful resolution. The future of our planet and perhaps our very existence hung in the balance. The world waited for answers as the enigma of 3I Atlas continued to captivate and confound us. In a dramatic turn of events, just days before the collision, NASA announced a breakthrough. After analyzing data from various sources, they concluded that 3I Atlas was indeed an alien spacecraft, sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. The spacecraft was designed to travel through space, powered by a propulsion system that was still a mystery to human engineers. The announcement sent shockwaves around the world. Governments scrambled to react, religions debated the implications for their beliefs, and the general public grappled with the realization that they were not alone in the universe. Some reacted with fear, others with excitement, and still others with a mix of emotions. The United Nations called for global cooperation, urging countries to put aside their differences and work together to communicate with the alien spacecraft. Scientists from around the world collaborated to develop messages to send, hoping to establish peaceful contact with the alien civilization. In a historic moment, the messages were sent as 3I Atlas made its closest approach to Mars. The world held its breath, waiting for a response. Days turned into weeks and then into months with no sign of a reply. The world was left to wonder whether the aliens had received the messages, whether they chose to respond, or whether they were even capable of doing so. Despite the lack of a response, the discovery of 3I Atlas marked a significant milestone in human history. It opened the door to a new era of interstellar exploration and understanding, a new chapter in humanity's journey through the cosmos. The enigma of 3I Atlas served as a testament to human resilience, to our ability to adapt and innovate in the face of overwhelming challenges. It reminded us that while we may be small in the grand scheme of the universe, we are capable of greatness. In the years that followed, humanity continued to push the boundaries of space exploration. New missions were launched to study 3IA, Talas and its propulsion system, in the hopes of replicating its technology. Scientists worked tirelessly to decode the messages sent to the aliens, hoping to learn more about their civilization and perhaps even establish peaceful contact. The world continued to watch the skies, hoping for another sign from the cosmos, and though the enigma of 3I Atlas was far from resolved, the journey had only just begun. The discovery of the interstellar traveler served as a reminder that we are not alone in the universe, and that there is still so much to learn and discover. The future of space exploration was uncertain, but one thing was clear. Humanity's thirst for knowledge and understanding would continue to drive us forward, into the vast unknown. Meanwhile, the study of 3I Atlas led to numerous breakthroughs in various fields. Astronomers gained a better understanding of the structure and composition of interstellar objects, while physicists delved deeper into the mysteries of propulsion systems that could potentially travel through space at such high speeds. Engineers, on the other hand, were inspired to develop new technologies based on the principles observed in 3I Atlas. The discovery also sparked a renewed interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. Organizations such as Sept, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, and NASA began to redouble their efforts, scanning the skies for signs of intelligent life. The world held its breath, waiting for the next cosmic enigma to reveal itself. As time passed, the initial fear and uncertainty surrounding 3I Atlas began to dissipate. The world adjusted to the reality of extraterrestrial life and began to focus on the possibilities it presented. Scientists continued to study 3I Atlas, hoping to learn more about its technology and its creators. The United Nations, meanwhile, worked towards establishing a framework for interstellar communication and cooperation, hoping to prevent any potential conflicts that might arise from misunderstandings. In the end, the discovery of 3I Atlas served as a catalyst for change. It forced humanity to re-evaluate its place in the universe and to embrace the possibilities that lay beyond our own planet. It sparked a new era of exploration and understanding, one that would take humanity to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The enigma of 3I Atlas would continue to captivate and inspire for generations to come, a testament to the indomitable spirit of human curiosity. As for 3I Atlas, it continued its voyage through the cosmos, a silent witness to the wonders and mysteries of the universe. Its true origin and purpose remained a mystery, a cosmic enigma that would continue to captivate and challenge the brightest minds for years to come. But one thing was certain. The discovery of 3I Atlas had forever changed the course of human history, opening the door to a new era of exploration, understanding, and cooperation. And as humanity gazed up at the stars, it knew that it was not alone. The universe was vast and mysterious, but it was also full of possibilities, and humanity was ready to embrace them.